guys, it's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Welcome back to my channel. Part 2 of my sewing shopping spree. I saw Kim Davis, she's also on YouTube, she's also on Instagram. She created this gorgeous dress, and it is a self-draft dress. Now, I'm planning to make it, right? And so I shopped at Miekkie. And this is the fabric that I bought. I bought 2 meters from this fabric. It's going to be on my winter fashion mood board. Promise. The next thing is my husband gave me this amazing ruler. A dressmaker's ruler, and it is just the best. I would not have bought this for myself, and so I really appreciate it. It's just the most. The next thing is I bought some bra making and lingerie supply at Unistoffen.nl, and I bought some charmeuse. This is for the lining of the bra, as well as some jersey, and this is for the crotch area. Oh, nicely said, Gusset. I also have, I'm so ashamed, but I'm so happy. I bought at the Emerald Erin. She has this Jordy Bralette. Now I bought that pattern many months ago, but I hadn't bought the kit. I tried it on my own, I couldn't figure it out, and decided to buy the kit. It took a while to reach, but that's no problem. That's because of COVID, but the shipping was really inexpensive. And what I have here is half of a kit, because the rest is somewhere there. Yeah, so it comes complete. It has a, this is the lace, this is the power knit, and then it comes with all the notions. So everything that you need to make a successful bralette, and it states here, so you have 3 of an 1/8 picot elastic, which is this. You got some strap elastic, 1/2 inch strap elastic, and you got 1/3 of an 1/8 inch wide band elastic. And this is what I used in order to go to the shop and find this one. It is a little off, but then again, it don't matter. And I also got the rings and the sliders. So these are the rings and the slider, as well as the closure, so the bralette closure. Yeah, those are, oh, I have one more thing. In the part 1, I showed you Miekkie's pattern that I bought. Here it is. But the fabric that I used for this coat is this fabric right here. And this is a coat fabric. I bought it at Unistoffen.nl. It was really inexpensive, so that made the challenge a lot more convincing to do, and it's just beautiful. I'm going to dedicate a separate video for that. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and you have a great day. Bye!